Imagine stepping into your kitchen and picking fresh, homegrown veggies right from your windowsill. Crisp lettuce for salads, snappy radishes for snacks, and handfuls of cherry tomatoes that taste sweeter than anything from the market. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly the 10 most productive veggies to grow in tiny indoor space that actually deliver huge harvests in pots, even on a small windowsill or shelf. Most people think indoor vegetable gardening needs fancy grow lights, tons of space, or expert skills. They're wrong. You can start with just sunny windows, basic pots, and these 10 productive picks. Last summer and winter, I turned my tiny apartment windowsills into a mini food factory with just these veggies. We had fresh salads, snacks, and sides daily. No yard, no stress, just simple wins. Hit that like button, subscribe to Peaceful Green Gardens, and drop a comment with the veggie you're most excited to try indoors. Let's dive in.
Number 1. Lettuce, leafy varieties. The speedy indoor leafy winner. This cool season green is perfect for tiny indoor spaces because it grows super fast, needs shallow pots, and you can harvest leaves over and over. Lettuce gives continuous cuts from one planting. It's one of the easiest high-yield indoor starters. Plant lettuce seeds directly in pots or trays in early spring/fall or year-round with good light. Space them 4 to 6 inches apart in partial sun windows or supplement with cheap LED lights. They love rich, well-draining potting mix with consistent moisture. Water when the top inch feels dry, usually every few days. Lettuce grows 6 to 10 inches tall, and you can start harvesting outer leaves in 30 to 45 days. A small 12-inch pot can give salads for weeks. The biggest mistake people make is letting it bolt in heat. Keep it in cooler spots or succession plant every 2 weeks. When I planted my first indoor row on the kitchen sill, my kids started begging for salads. It felt amazing seeing them excited about homegrown veggies. Pro tip, choose loose leaf varieties like black-seeded Simpson or salad bowl. They're forgiving and regrow fast after cutting.
Number 2. Radishes, the quick win indoor root crop. These crunchy roots are perfect for tiny spaces because they're incredibly fast, ready in 20 to 30 days, forgiving and productive in small pots. Radishes thrive in cool windows and give high yields with almost no work. Plant radish seeds directly ½ inch deep in pots. Space them 1 to 2 inches apart in bright windows, south-facing ideal. They prefer loose, well-draining soil. Water evenly to keep soil moist. Radishes grow 1 to 2 inches in diameter and mature in 3 to 4 weeks. One 10-inch pot can produce dozens of roots. Biggest mistake? Leaving them in too long. They get woody. Pull when golf ball size. My first indoor harvest was so quick I couldn't believe it. Instant confidence for apartment gardening. Pro tip, try Cherry Bell or French Breakfast. Colorful, mild, and super reliable.
Number 3. Green onions, scallions, the endless regrower. Green onions are perfect for tiny indoor spaces because they regrow from kitchen scraps, take almost no room, and give continuous harvests. Super low effort, high return staple. Plant sets, scraps, or seeds in shallow pots or jars. Space 2 to 3 inches apart in sunny windows. Moist soil. Harvest in 50 to 70 days or cut tops and regrow. One small pot gives year-round supply. Biggest mistake? Letting them dry out. I started with kitchen scraps. Now we never buy green onions. Pro tip, evergreen bunching. Reliable and keeps coming back forever. Number 4. Spinach, the cut and come again indoor green. Spinach is perfect for tiny spaces because it grows fast in cool windows, regrows after cutting, and gives multiple harvests. High in nutrients and easy indoors. Plant seeds 1/2 inch deep in pots. Space 4 to 6 inches apart in partial sun. Moist, rich soil. Harvest outer leaves in 40 to 50 days. One 12-inch pot lasts weeks. Biggest mistake? Heat stress. Grow in cooler seasons or shaded spots. My indoor spinach kept our salads fresh for months. Pro tip, Bloomsdale or Space. Bolt resistant and productive. Number 5. Cherry tomatoes, dwarf varieties.
The endless snack producer. Dwarf cherry tomatoes are perfect for tiny indoor spaces because they're compact, productive in pots, and keep pumping out sweet fruits with good light. Plant transplants in 5 to 10 gallon pots in the sunniest window or with grow lights. Space one per pot with support. Well-draining soil, water consistently. Plants grow 2 to 4 feet and produce in 60 to 70 days. One plant can give hundreds of tomatoes. Biggest mistake? Inconsistent watering. Causes cracking. My windowsill cherries or snack central for the kids. Zero store-bought all season. Pro tip, try Sweet 100 or Tiny Tim. Incredibly sweet and compact for indoors.
Number 6. Microgreens, the ultra-fast super producer. Microgreens are perfect for tiny spaces because they're harvested as seedlings in 1 to 3 weeks, need shallow trays, and give massive yields per square inch. Sow densely in trays on windowsills. Moist soil. Harvest young. One tray gives multiple cuts. Biggest mistake? Overcrowding without good airflow. My first trays were ready in days. Felt like magic for quick indoor wins. Pro tip, radish, pea shoots, or sunflower, fastest and most flavorful.
Number 7. Carrots, baby or short varieties. The sweet root harvest. Short carrots are perfect for tiny pots because they store well, grow in containers, and give high yields in loose soil. Plant seeds a 1/4 inch deep, thin to 2 inches apart in deepish pots, 8 to 12 inches. Full sun window. Keep moist. Mature in 50 to 70 days. One pot produces pounds of babies. Biggest mistake? Rocky or poor soil. Use light potting mix. Pulling my first indoor carrots felt like pure joy. Pro tip, Paris Market or Littlefinger. Round and sweet and beginner friendly. Number 8. Herbs like basil, bonus high yield green. The continuous indoor harvester. Basil and similar herbs are perfect for tiny spaces because one plant gives endless leaves, grows compact, and thrives on windowsills. Plant in small pots in sunny spots. Pinch tops regularly. Harvest ongoing. Biggest mistake? Not pinching gets leggy. My basil kept pesto flowing all year. Pro tip, Genovese, prolific and aromatic. Number 9. Kale, baby or dwarf. The tough leafy producer. Dwarf kale is perfect for indoors because it's cold hardy, productive in pots, and gives multiple harvests. Plant in medium pots, partial sun. Harvest outer leaves. One plant lasts months. Biggest mistake? Overheating. Keep cool. My indoor kale was a salad game changer. Pro tip, dwarf blue curled. High yield and compact. Number 10. Peppers, dwarf or chili. The compact fruit powerhouse. Dwarf peppers are perfect for tiny indoor spaces because they're bushy, productive in pots, and give lots of fruits with light. Plant in 5+ gallon pots, sunny window, consistent water. Produce in 60 to 80 days. One plant gives dozens. Biggest mistake? Low light. Use brightest spot. My indoor chilies added spice to everything. Pro tip, mini bell or jalapeno dwarf. High producers. That's all 10 most productive veggies for tiny indoor spaces. Each one gives big harvests in pots with simple care, but combining a few, like lettuce plus radishes plus green onions plus microgreens, works even better. That's what filled my apartment sills with food year-round. Start with whichever excites you most. Radishes for quick wins, lettuce for daily salads, or green onions for zero-effort regrows. Which veggie are you planting first indoors? Comment below with your setup or city. I read every single one. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Peaceful Green Gardens, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Happy planting, friends. Go turn your tiny space into a productive green haven. See you soon.